Hey guys, and welcome to today's giveaway. As always, winners get to choose whatever they would like from the item shop, which does include the battle pass. If you guys don't have the battle pass, you can definitely sign up for that. You do not need to sign up for whatever the winner this case won, because they get to choose whatever they would like. Now, in order to sign up, you just have to follow 3 simple steps that I'm going to show you towards the end of the video. But right now, let's get started with the gifting. So right here, we've got Johnny. So Johnny is the latest winner, and he gets to choose whatever he would like. So in this case, Johnny said he wanted the battle pass. So that's exactly what he's gonna get. So if you guys already have the battle pass, you would go right into battle pass, and then from here you're gonna see the last option where it says gift battle pass. So we're gonna go ahead and gift him that exactly. Now I'm gonna take a look at whoever's in my party right now. It's the fastest way to find his name. We're gonna see him. I can see that he doesn't have the battle pass yet because it doesn't say that he owns it. So I can click on his name, I can go on to continue, and hopefully there's no errors. Sometimes I get an error code. Hopefully no error codes this time, because PlayStation did scam me once. Hopefully they won't do it again. So let's go, and we're gonna gift this out to Johnny right now. So right now I should be logging into my PlayStation store, should ask me some info, and then we can get started. Yeah, so there it is. So I can confirm this purchase for sure. And we're gonna go on to gift him. There we go. And that's just because I had stuff in my wallet already. So I had some money there, so I was able to do that. But if I didn't, it would just hook up to my credit card. Anyways, right now it says thank you. I can just go back actually. And it does say that, again, they got an error code. This is not good, because last time when I tried it again, they charged me twice for the same battle pass. However, Johnny may have it already. Let's just check. No, never mind. It does say that he does have it. So it says owned. Good. In that case, everything went through and everything's okay. So Johnny is the latest giveaway winner. He chose the battle pass. That's what he got. So right now, we're just gonna go back and take a look at Johnny. Okay, I see that you changed your banner and you got the battle pass. Awesome. Yeah, that's the quickest way. So you have the battle pass skin. Awesome. So if I click on your name now, I can see that it says season level 31. So that's another way I can confirm that you in fact got the battle pass, although you have the battle pass skin. So that's awesome. Now for those of you guys who would like a chance to win, you just have to follow these 3 simple steps. Number 1, go right into your item shop. Down here below, you guys will see support a creator. Just tap right there and you guys will type in, just enter tech and design just like you see it right here. Accept. That's step number 1. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.